You might be wondering why calcium is considered so important. You might also be thinking about the causes of calcium deficiency, and even more importantly, the symptoms of calcium deficiency. How about how to take calcium the right way so as to prevent creating kidney stones? In today's video, we are going to share with you 7 foods higher in calcium than milk. Hello there, welcome to Essential Cures. Calcium is an essential mineral that plays a fundamental role in numerous bodily functions. It is most commonly recognized for its importance in developing and maintaining strong bones and teeth. However, calcium's significance extends far beyond skeletal health. This mineral is involved in various physiological processes, including muscle contraction, nerve signaling, blood clotting, and hormone regulation. Importance of calcium. 1. Bone health. Structure and strength. Calcium is the primary mineral found in bones, providing them with structure and strength. Approximately 99% of the body's calcium is stored in bones and teeth, where it forms a dense matrix that supports the skeletal system. Peak bone mass. Achieving peak bone mass during childhood and adolescence is crucial for long-term bone health. Adequate calcium intake during these formative years helps build a strong foundation that can prevent osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones, later in life. 2. Muscle function. Contraction mechanism. Calcium ions play a vital role in muscle contractions. When a nerve stimulates a muscle fiber, calcium is released from storage sites within the muscle cells. This release triggers a series of interactions between proteins, actin and myosin, that enable the muscle to contract. Relaxation. After contraction, calcium is reabsorbed into the storage sites, allowing the muscle to relax. This cycle of contraction and relaxation is essential for all types of movement. 3. Blood clotting. Coagulation process. Calcium is crucial for the blood clotting process, which prevents excessive bleeding when injuries occur. It activates several proteins known as clotting factors that work together to form a stable clot. Calcium's role. Without sufficient calcium, the body cannot effectively form clots, leading to prolonged bleeding times and increased risk of hemorrhage. 4. Nerve transmission. Signal transmission. Calcium ions are involved in transmitting signals between neurons, nerve cells. When a nerve impulse reaches the end of a neuron, calcium enters the cell and triggers the release of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that carry signals to other neurons or muscles. Neuromuscular function. This process is critical for reflexes, muscle movements, and overall communication within the nervous system. Causes of calcium deficiency. Calcium deficiency can arise from various factors. Inadequate dietary intake. Many individuals do not consume enough calcium-rich foods in their diets. This can be especially common among those who avoid dairy products or do not include other good sources of calcium. Poor absorption. Certain medical conditions can affect how well calcium is absorbed in the intestines. Celiac disease. This autoimmune disorder can damage the lining of the intestines, impairing nutrient absorption. Inflammatory bowel disease. IBD conditions like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis can also hinder calcium absorption. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly decreased estrogen levels during menopause, can lead to increased bone resorption, the process where bone is broken down, and decreased bone formation. Certain medications. Some medications may interfere with calcium absorption or increase its excretion through urine. Corticosteroids. Long-term use can reduce calcium absorption from the diet. Diuretics. Certain types can increase calcium loss through urine. Symptoms of calcium deficiency. Calcium deficiency can manifest through various symptoms. Muscle cramps and spasms. Insufficient calcium levels can lead to involuntary muscle contractions or cramps, often occurring in the legs or back. Weak and brittle nails. Low calcium levels may result in nails that are prone to breaking or splitting easily. Easy fractures or breaks. A significant deficiency can weaken bones over time, making them more susceptible to fractures even with minor injuries. Fatigue or weakness. Low calcium levels may contribute to feelings of tiredness or overall weakness due to impaired muscle function. Numbness or tingling. Some individuals may experience sensations of numbness or tingling in their fingers or toes due to nerve issues related to low calcium levels. Dental issues. Calcium deficiency can lead to weak teeth and other dental problems over time, such as cavities or gum disease. Long-term calcium deficiency can result in serious health conditions like osteoporosis, characterized by brittle bones that fracture easily under stress. Taking calcium safely. To ensure adequate calcium intake while minimizing the risk of kidney stones, consider these strategies. Balanced intake. Focus on obtaining calcium from food sources rather than relying solely on supplements. Whole foods provide additional nutrients that aid absorption and support overall health. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps dilute substances in urine that can lead to kidney stones. Staying hydrated also assists with overall kidney function by flushing out excess minerals. Limit sodium intake. High sodium consumption can increase calcium excretion through urine. Reducing salt intake helps retain more calcium in the body and supports overall cardiovascular health. Spread out calcium intake. Instead of consuming large doses of calcium at once, which can overwhelm your body, aim to spread your intake throughout the day. For example, if your goal is 1,000 milligrams per day, try consuming 300 milligrams at breakfast, 400 milligrams at lunch, and 300 milligrams at dinner. This approach improves absorption efficiency and reduces kidney stone risk. Now let us share with you foods higher in calcium than milk. Milk typically contains about 300 milligrams of calcium per cup. Here are 7 foods that provide more calcium. 1. Cooked collard greens. 1 cup offers about 268 milligrams of calcium. These leafy greens are rich not only in calcium, but also in vitamins A, C, K, and fiber. They can be sautéed with garlic or added to soups for added nutrition. 2. Tofu, calcium set. Half a cup can contain between 275 to 861 milligrams, depending on how it's processed. Tofu is versatile. It absorbs flavors well and can be used in stir-fries, salads, or smoothies. Look for tofu labeled as calcium set for higher calcium content. 3. Canned sardines with bones. 3 ounces provide around 325 milligrams of calcium. Sardines are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and protein. They can be eaten straight from the can or added to salads and pasta dishes. 4. Cooked kale. 1 cup contains about 177 milligrams of calcium. Kale is nutrient-dense. It also provides vitamins A, C, K, and antioxidants. It can be enjoyed raw in salads or cooked as a side dish. 5. Fortified soy milk. 1 cup typically has about 300 milligrams if fortified properly. This makes soy milk an excellent alternative for those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options. Check labels for added vitamins like D2 or D3 for enhanced absorption. 6. Almonds. 1 ounce, about 23 almonds, offers around 76 milligrams of calcium. Almonds are also high in healthy fats, vitamin E, and fiber. They make a great snack on their own or can be added to oatmeal or yogurt. 7. Chia seeds. 2 tablespoons provide about 179 milligrams of calcium. Chia seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They absorb liquid well and form a gel-like consistency when soaked. They can be added to smoothies, yogurt parfaits, or used to make chia pudding. Incorporating these foods into your diet not only helps you meet your daily calcium needs, but also provides a variety of flavors and textures that enhance your meals. A balanced diet rich in diverse sources of nutrients will support overall health while ensuring you get enough essential minerals like calcium. And now we hope you get to improve your overall health whether you are vegan, lactose intolerant, or just looking for non-dairy alternatives to increase calcium intake. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell us about your favorite calcium source in the comments below. Wish you all the best and see you on the next one.